Hi friends, in this video I'll be solving simultaneous quadratic equation. It's actually of three different types. We have type 1, which is the one I'm going to solve in this video, which is one linear and one quadratic equation. And we have the type 2 to be homogeneous quadratic equation, and also we have symmetric equation. But in this video I'm going to solve this question, and this question is under one linear and one quadratic equation. Now, we are asked to find the value of x and y, and we are given in the given equation. We have equation 1 to be this and equation 2 to be this. But luckily, if we look at equation 2 very well, we actually have the power of x to be 1. X and y is actually 1. But equation 1, the power of x and y there is actually 2. So from equation 1, we can just make x or y the subject of the formula, but I'm going to make x the subject of the formula so that I'm going to have x to be equal 13 minus y. Then I call this equation 3. Then after that, I'm going to put this equation 3 into 1. I'm going to put it into 1. Now here the value of x becomes 13 minus y all squared, right? Then plus y squared equals to 89. Now here I'm having squared and 13 minus y all squared. That means I need to expand the bracket, right? Then here I'm going to have 13 minus y into bracket 13 minus y, right? Plus y squared equals to 89. So now let's go ahead and expand this. Then expanding this, I'm going to have 13 multiplied by 13, that's actually 169. Then here I'm having minus 13y, right? Minus 13y again, right? Then plus y squared equals to 89, right? So here I'm going to have 169, right, minus 26y plus 2y squared equals to 89. Exactly. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will try and simplify, right? So if I simplify here, I'm going to have 2y squared, right, minus 26y, exactly, then followed by 1 plus 169, then minus 89 equal 0, right? 169 minus 89, that will give us 80, right? So here I'm going to have 2y squared, right, then minus 26y plus this is actually 80 equals to what? 0. So now this is actually a quadratic equation, but I can choose to divide all through by 2, right? So if I divide all through by 2, let me just divide all through by 2 here. Dividing all through by 2, what am I going to have? I'm going to have new expression, which is y squared, then this will be minus 13y, exactly, plus 40 equals 0, which is, this is a quadratic expression. So this quadratic expression, I can actually solve it using factorization method, because if I should look at this very well, I will just find the product of the roots, right, and also the sum of the roots. Now the product of the root and sum of the roots in this case will actually be 8 and 5. 8 and 5, that will be minus 8 minus 5. So here I'm going to have it to be what? To be y squared, right, minus, let me just say 8y minus 5y, right, then plus 40 equals to 0. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 5, that's actually plus 40, exactly. So now let's just go ahead and simplify this, factorize this. So factorizing this, I'm going to have y into brackets y minus, that's actually 8, right? Then here also I'm going to have minus 5 into brackets y minus 8 equals 0. So I can just go ahead from this side, I can just go ahead and say I'm going to have the expression to be, that's actually y minus 5 and also y minus 8 is equals to what? 0. So therefore I'm going to have y minus 5 equals to 0, or y minus 8 can be equals to what? 0. So now I can just go ahead and say this is y equals to 5, or what? Or y equals 5. So I've gotten the value of y. The next thing is that I'll need to find the value of x. So in order for me to solve for the value of x, I can actually come back to equation 3. Equation 3 says x equals to 13 minus y, right? Then if you just say, okay, at y equals to 5, then what's going to be the value of x? So in this case, we're going to have our x to be equals to 13 minus 5. Then x equals what? 8. Then let's similarly at y equals to 8, then x equals to 13 minus 8, then x equals to what? 5. Therefore, when x equals to 8, what's our y? Our y equals to what? 5. Then also when x equals to 5, our y is what? Our y is actually what? 8. Very simple. When x equals to 5, our y is 8. When x equals to 8, our y is what? Is 5. So these are the values of x and y that are in this equation. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly click on the subscribe button and share this video, please. That's the only way you can help this academy. Share this video with your friends and do well to drop any question you want me to solve as far as one linear and one quadratic equation is concerned. Just drop the question inside the comment box below. I'll be there to reply and give you perfect solution to it. So before I end this video, I'm going to give you guys a question for you to solve. So you should solve this equation. You should solve it and drop your answer in the comment box below. Let's say you are given x plus 2y equals to 3, and also let's say you are given s squared plus xy plus 5y squared exactly plus 2y equals to what? 7. So this equation 1 and this equation 2. So just solve for the value of what? Of x. So for the value of x and y that are present in this expression. So just drop your answer in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.